friends, so today I am going to make a paper chain like this. So the items we need is glue, scissors, yarn, filling tool, a needle. We are using a needle, please get help from your parents, pencil, ruler and any color paper to make your beads colorful. So let's start. So I have the paper ready with me. It's a flyer. We can make green or blue beads. I'm going to make blue color beads. For that, with a sharp pencil, mark one end of the paper with division spaced 1 centimeter. And the other end with 0.3 or 0.4 centimeter. I have marked 1 centimeter and 0.3 centimeter on the paper. Now let's start drawing the lines. Now I have drawn the lines. Now let's cut through the lines. Now let's cut the remaining lines. Now the papers are ready to make the beads, so let's roll it one by one. This paper has green and blue color at the end. I'm going to make a blue bead. If you don't have a quilling tool, you can use a toothpick. So let's glue one side. One of our bead is ready. Now let's roll the next bead. So our second bead is also ready. So third bead is also ready. Now the beads are ready. Let's tie them together. Be careful while you are using a needle. The paper bead stain is ready now. If needed, we can increase the length by adding more beads. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Bye bye.